G'day my friends, back at the Firefly Funhouse with our exercise videos and this craziness. And where's my hair going? Okay, it's creeping me out. Rightio, that's officially, I don't know what's going on in here. Anyway, breathing, very important we do this. Okay, so let's get started. Let's get nice and straight. Feet shoulder width apart. Put your arms in front of you, just as such. Okay, and then what I want you to do is put your hands on your bellies. Okay, and then what you'll do is you'll take a deep breath in for 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then you breathe out for 3. 1, 2, 3. You do that again for 5, maybe 10, if you like, depending on how advanced you are. But we're settling ourselves down and focusing. You could do this anytime during your workouts, okay? If you feel like you're a bit out of balance, okay, or you don't feel right, center yourself. This is very, very good. Even here, in this weird place. I hope you enjoy the workout, as I'm going to work out why I am wearing this funny outfit. Enjoy.